For over 85 years here in Leamington Spa, Thwaites have designed, manufactured and innovated. Firstly in agricultural equipment, then since the early 1950s exclusively in site dumpers for the construction, housing and plant hire markets. Today, the factory employs around 250 people who are supported by the very latest technology, from welding to cutting, painting to assembly, all of which is governed by rigorous quality control and safety standards. The company is proud of its health and safety record and proud of its team's commitment in delivering the programme. Thwaites continually reviews best practice and regularly consults with the market to find the solutions that will add value by further reducing risk, providing enhanced protection to our team, our supply chain and our visitors. One such supplier is Warehouse Safety Solutions from Meon. So let me hand you over to Thwaites Planning and Supply Manager Paul Evitts, who led the project and can tell you more. Paul.
Thanks, Will. We first met Meon during a continual safety improvement visit to the health and safety event in 2022. We were really impressed with their product range, safety improvement systems and engagement with our business. This led to discussions in late 2022 around the safety integration we plan to install in the summer factory shutdown of 2023. This integration centred around external walkways, crossing areas and zone parking areas, all to further improve visibility, distance and protection from on-site traffic, thus reducing and minimising the risk of incident or accident. The safety barriers we selected were the D-Flex barrier series. This system was chosen for its robust design, ease of installation and striking colour combination, with of course all of the supporting impact and protection data. Planned enhancements to the road crossings and at-risk areas in front of the factory doors were also implemented. All to provide improved dynamic paint lines and lanes. The third separate level of protection Meon have installed is racking protection, all to further reduce the risk of impact from vehicles and materials handling equipment. The feedback from colleagues and senior management has been excellent, with the striking appearance being one of the standout comments. Bay numbering system has also received high praise from the operational team. The factory team have adapted well to the new walkways, which is another positive from the planning, installation and communication period. We would certainly recommend Meon as our experience has been first class.